The Buccellato Jet Concept M XXL is a computer numerically controlled cutting tool. It is commonly known as a CNC router. The machine control panel shows the rail arm locations based on the part being processed. Robert Bowden utilizes a CNC router to create many different millwork parts and products. These include radius casing, brackets, corbels, column parts, windows parts, and as shown in this video, door parts. The CNC router works like a printer. Compose your work on the computer and then send the design or drawing to the CNC router. The CNC uses cutting tools as opposed to ink or toner. The computer-controlled movement allows for easily duplicated operations in future projects. A variety of cutting tools may be selected by the software, including routing bits, drill bits, and saws. Each tool works by performing separate operations on a 360-degree axis. The radius top rail is angle cut on the end with a profiled inside edge. The outside edge is also radius cut. Parts have been profiled to clamp the panel in place. The glass bead has been removed for glazing. The door has been bored for dowels. The first end panel of the door is prepared for final assembly. Adhesive is placed in the pre-drilled holes. The door's panel is V-notched with a floating double panel to allow independent expansion inside and out. During the assembly process, notice the use of 5-inch spiral dowels. There are 4 in the bottom rail with 2 in the panel locking top rail. After the bottom rail and top rail are placed on the dowels, the floating panel is aligned between the 2 rails and moved into position. The door's lock style is pre-machined for multi-point hardware. The second door end piece is aligned on the dowels. The piece is then adjusted to fit snugly against the rails and panel. After all parts are assembled, the door unit is clamped while the adhesive cures. Once the adhesive is dried, the glass is inserted and the glass beading applied.